Welcome back to Suzie Anderson Home. Today we're sharing 5 Wabi-Sabi teachings that we hope will inspire you to create a home you love, no matter your design style. We'd like to thank SkillShare for supporting this episode. Wabi-Sabi is difficult to distill, as there is no direct translation. However, in abstract terms, this philosophy embraces an appreciation of impermanence, natural flaws, and the inherent beauty found in the passing of time. Wabi expresses the part of simplicity, harmony, impermanence, and imperfection. Sabi expresses the bloom of time and how the marks of aging and wear can enhance an item's beauty. Its history is inextricably linked with Buddhism and suggests that wisdom comes from making peace with our transient and imperfect nature. Wabi-Sabi is simplicity, intentionality, and authenticity. It involves being mindful of what you purchase, releasing the non-essential, and appreciating and upcycling things you love. It celebrates the human rather than the machine, and prioritizes quality by having fewer but longer-lasting possessions that tell a story and beautify with age. It suggests that by decluttering and letting go of what no longer serves you, you allow room for what will. For example, when we experience positive associations with certain objects, colours, textures, or materials, this results in feelings of safety, comfort, inspiration, and enjoyment. Like nature, interiors are ever-changing due to the elements and by the simple act of inhabiting a space. Wabi-Sabi expresses the importance of attunement in living with the natural world. This concept illuminates the beauty of the fleeting, changeable, and imperfect nature of the world around us. One way to implement this principle is by embracing the colours issued from nature, adopting a colour palette of warm and earthy hues. Opt for muted colours of chalky white, brown, terracotta, stone grey, forest green, sky and navy blue, charcoal, and natural pigments from vegetables, flora, and foliage. We can also look to seasonal displays to understand nature's transience. Hanami is the ancient tradition of enjoying the beautiful and ephemeral blossoms of cherry trees. For example, a single gust of wind can rid a tree of its blooms, and it is precisely this impermanence that is admired in Wabi-Sabi. the lushness and vitality of a fresh-cut flower compared to the pale fragility of a dried one. Beautiful, but different. Wabi-Sabi suggests that only things that are impermanent, incomplete, or ephemeral can be truly beautiful, as they are reflections of the natural world. Apply this principle further by finding ways to bring the raw and textural indoors. Look for natural materials that will show the passing of time, such as wood, clay, brick, leather, stone, rattan, or concrete. Wabi-Sabi suggests that all beauty lies in the sphere of perception, and instead of seeking beauty in the eternal, symmetrical, or perfect, look towards things that are flawed, imperfect, and irregular. To counterbalance machine-crafted items, Wabi-Sabi embraces objects that are handmade and offer heart, skill, focus, integrity, and care. While handmade items may not have the precision of a machine-made one, there's a warmth and beauty in the fact that no two pieces will be identical. Its uniqueness now rests with you to observe, appreciate, and enjoy. Wabi-Sabi offers a lesson in sustainability, encouraging us to patch and mend and repair and rejuvenate. This philosophy encourages us to view what we already have with fresh eyes, finding inspiration in the ordinary and fractured beauty and the magic of repair. For example, Japanese architecture is built in the spirit of Wabi-Sabi, as many temples and homes are crafted from wood and have to be rebuilt over time. This process of rebuilding is centered around the importance of preserving customs and traditions, where visible marks of repair are embraced and celebrated. This is also seen in the Japanese practice of kintsugi, which is the art of repairing broken ceramics using a special lacquer mixed with gold, silver, or platinum. This ancient form of art stems from Wabi-Sabi and seeks to mend broken items such as a cracked teacup, vase, or plate by accentuating its repair rather than disguising it. Another way to introduce this principle in your interior is by upcycling and repurposing your furniture and decor. As mentioned in our Faded Beauty series, recycled flooring can be reused as cladding, shelving, or cabinetry. Vintage fabric can cover walls. Old book paper pages can become sculptural decor. Or old backdrops or rustic shutters can be repurposed as art. Wabi-Sabi teaches us to find joy in the present moment and practice gratitude for what we have, and mindfulness and meditation are two ways we can implement this principle. For example, you may wish to create a space in your home that is free of distractions. This could be a meditation corner, art or music room, reading nook, or special space in your garden to recharge and reconnect with what matters most. Our environment has a powerful impact on how we think and feel every day. Surround yourself by items that hold meaning, reflect your values, and cultivate feelings of warmth and positivity. To maintain the emotional pleasure obtained by these items, we need to be present and grateful for what we already have. Cultivating a meditation practice can help us observe our thoughts and emotions as they appear while staying present. If you wish to explore some of these practices and take your creativity to the next level, then one resource I recommend is SkillShare. SkillShare is an online learning community for creatives, featuring thousands of inspiring ad-free and structured classes for all skill levels. There's amazing classes on design, mindfulness, art, floristry, calligraphy, photography, business, and more. I recently did a class called Meditation 101, Spark Joy, Peace, and Creativity in Your Daily Life. This class is presented in such a beautiful, calming way by the host Dan Liu, who also happens to be an Emmy Award-winning filmmaker, contemplative creative living in Italy, and a decade-long explorer of meditation. This simple and enjoyable course is a perfect introduction to anyone who's ever considered meditation. Normally, an annual membership is less than $10 a month, but since they're supporting this video, the first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in the description will get a 1-month free trial of SkillShare, so you can start exploring your creativity today. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you feel inspired to incorporate some of these Wabi-Sabi principles in your own home. Let us know in the comments below which tip you're looking forward to trying. Remember, when designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail.